Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this lesson, we're going to learn binary number system conversions, binary to decimal, binary to octal, and binary to hexadecimal in a very simple and clear way. Computers understand only binary numbers, but we humans usually work with decimal numbers. Octal and hexadecimal are also very important in programming because they make long binary numbers easier to read and understand. That's why learning conversions is really useful. In this lesson, we will learn three main conversions: binary to decimal, binary to octal, and binary to hexadecimal. Let's start step by step. To convert binary to decimal, we use positional values of powers of 2. The rightmost digit has the value 2 to the 0, then 2 to the 1, 2 squared, 2 cubed, and so on. We multiply each digit by its power of 2 and then add everything. Let's take a binary number, 1011 base 2, and convert it into decimal, step by step. First, we assign place values. From right to left, we write 2 to the power of 0, 2 to the power of 1, 2 to the power of 2, and 2 to the power of 3 under each digit of the binary number. Now multiply each binary digit with its place value. 1 multiplied by 2 to the third equals 8, 0 multiplied by 2 squared equals 0, 1 multiplied by 2 to the first equals 2, and 1 multiplied by 2 to the 0 equals 1. Now we simply add all these values, 8 plus 0 plus 2 plus 1, and the answer is 11. So 1011 in binary is equal to 11. For binary to octal conversion, 3 binary digits together represent 1 octal digit. This is because 2 cubed equals 8. Let's convert the binary number 110101 base 2 into octal. We group the binary digits in sets of 3 from right to left, so it becomes 110 and 101. If digits are not enough, we simply add zeros on the left. Now convert each group into its octal value. 110 in binary is 6 in octal, and 101 in binary is 5 in octal. So our final answer is 65 base 8. 110101 base 2 equals 65 base 8. For binary to hexadecimal conversion, 4 binary digits together make 1 hexadecimal digit, because hex is base 16 and relates to 2 to the 4th. Remember, A equals 10, B equals 11, C equals 12, D equals 13, E equals 14, and F equals 15. Now let's convert 10111101 base 2 into hexadecimal. First, group the binary number into sets of 4 from right to left, so we get 1011 and 1101. If needed, we can add zeros on the left. Now convert each group. 1011 in binary is B in hex, and 1101 in binary is D in hex. So the final answer is BD base 16. 10111101 base 2 equals BD in hexadecimal. Quick reminder, binary to decimal uses positional values. Binary to octal means grouping 3 bits. Binary to hex means grouping 4 bits. Always remember to group from the right side. Add zeros if groups are incomplete. That's the end of this video. I hope you learned something useful today. Subscribe to my channel and like this video. Next video, we will learn decimal to binary, octal, and hexadecimal conversions. Thank you for watching.